What's up, y'all? I've spent over $330 million profitable on Facebook ads and driven over $1.7 billion in attributable revenue. And I've also scaled dozens and dozens of brands from 4 to 5 figures a month to 7 and 8 figures in revenue per month. And today I'm breaking down something that's completely changed how we approach meta ads creative, using ChatGPT and customer reviews to create winning ad angles and personas. And as usual, this is not theory. This is what's working right now across my client accounts and my own brands like which is on track to hit our third 200K month in a row after implementing these exact strategies. Most brands are completely missing this goldmine of data sitting right in front of them. They're wasting thousands on creative that doesn't connect, while the answers are literally in their customers' own words. I'm going to show you 12 specific ways to use ChatGPT to extract powerful insights from your customer data and turn them into high converting meta ads. Let's dive in. Before I jump into the tactics, let me explain why this approach is so powerful. The meta algorithm rewards one thing above all else: relevance. When your ads speak directly to your ideal customer in their own language about their specific problems, Meta will reward you with lower CPMs, lower CPCs, and ultimately lower CPAs. And I've seen this firsthand. At Rugtimize, our conversion rate is up 10% month over month after implementing these strategies. The beauty of using ChatGPT with your customer data is that you're not guessing what might work, you're extracting proven messaging directly from people who have already purchased from you. This is the closest thing to a cheat code for meta ads you'll ever find. The first and most powerful way to use ChatGPT is to identify distinct customer personas from your reviews. Here's exactly how to do it. First, gather 20 to 30 or as much customer reviews as you can, paste them into ChatGPT, and then prompt it with analyze these reviews and identify 3 to 5 distinct customer personas who are buying our product. Then for each persona, include their demographics, psychographics, pain points, and what specifically appealed to them about our product. And what you're going to get back is gold. Detailed personas based on real customers, not hypothetical ones. These become the foundation for your ad targeting and your messaging. Number 2, generate value proposition variations. Once you have your personas, you can use ChatGPT to create tailored value propositions for each one. The prompt I use is, based on this customer persona, generate 10 different value proposition statements for our product that would specifically appeal to them. Make each statement unique and focus on different benefits or pain points. This gives you 10 ready to test headlines or hooks for each persona. The key here is that these are not random. They're specifically tailored to real customer segments based on your real customer review data. Number 3 is create seasonal positioning. This is huge right now as we head into fall winter. The algorithm rewards seasonal content because it drives higher engagement. Here's the prompt. My product is X. Based on these customer reviews, generate 10 ways to position my product specifically for the fall winter season. Include seasonal messaging, pain points that become more relevant in the fall winter seasons, and specific copy angles that I could use in ads. Number 4, extract objection handlers. Your reviews don't just tell you what customers love, they often reveal what almost stopped them from buying. So here's the prompt I use. Analyze these reviews and identify the top 5 objections or concerns customers had before purchasing. For each objection, create 3 different ways to address it in ad copy. This gives you 15 pieces of objection handling copy that you can test in your ads. These are incredibly powerful because they preemptively address the exact concerns that might be stopping people from clicking or converting. Number 5, generate before and after scenarios. The before and after framework is one of the most powerful in advertising, and ChatGPT can help you create these scenarios based on real customer experiences. So here's the prompt. Based on these customer reviews, create 5 detailed before and after scenarios that show the transformation our customers experience. Make these specific and emotional, focusing on both the practical and emotional benefits. These scenarios become the foundation for your ad narratives, especially in video scripts where you can visually show the transformation. Number 6, create customer language product descriptions. Most product descriptions are written in brand language, not customer language. This is a huge missed opportunity. Here's the prompt. Rewrite our product descriptions using only language, phrases, and terminology found in these customer reviews. Make it sound like our customers are describing the product and not us. The result is a product description that resonates deeply because it's in the exact language your customers actually use. This is especially powerful for your landing pages and ad copy. Number 7, use it to generate meme concepts. This is something I just tested with Rugtimize and it's working incredibly well. Meme-based ads can reach audiences that might not engage with your standard content. So here's the prompt. Based on these customer pain points, generate 5 meme concepts that would resonate with our audience. For each concept, suggest suggest a popular meme format and the specific text to use. I literally did this the other day. I saw a Justin Bieber Kendall Jenner meme in the morning, threw it into Canva with copy generated by ChatGPT, and we already got orders from it that fast. The CPCs were under $1, which is fantastic, and the CPA was under target. Number 8, create diverse ad copy for testing. Creative diversification is crucial for meta ad success, especially in this Andromeda era, and ChatGPT can help you create truly diverse copy based on your customer data. Here's the prompt. Generate 10 completely different ad copy approaches for my product based on these reviews. Each approach should have a different tone, structure, and focus. Include variations like question-based, story-based, statistic-based, fear-based, and aspirational-based approaches. This gives you 10 distinct copy angles to test, all grounded in real customer language and experiences. Number 9, extract social proof elements. Social proof is powerful, but generic 5-star reviews don't cut it anymore. You need specific, compelling proof points. So here's the prompt. From these reviews, extract the 10 most specific and compelling social proof statements. Focus on unique results, unexpected benefits, and quantifiable outcomes customers experience. These become powerful elements for your ad copy, especially in your headlines and descriptions. Number 10, generate FAQ content for your landing pages. Your reviews often reveal the questions customers had before purchasing. These should be addressed directly on your landing pages. So here's the prompt. Based on these reviews, what were the top 10 questions customers likely had before purchasing? For each question, generate a clear, compelling answer using language from the reviews themselves. We added these FAQs to optimize this product pages, and it's been a key factor in our 10% conversion rate increase. Number 11, create whitelisting ad concepts for founder or influencer whitelisting. Founder or influencer whitelisting is one of the most powerful scaling strategies, and ChatGPT can help you create concepts specifically for whitelisting ads. So here's a prompt. Based on these customer experiences or reviews, generate 5 concepts for whitelisting ads where the founder or an influencer is speaking directly to the audience. Include a hook, key points to cover, and a compelling call to action for each concept. Number 12, identify new testing opportunities. Finally, use ChatGPT to identify completely new angles you haven't tested yet. So here's the prompt. Analyze these reviews and identify 5 unexpected or underutilized selling points that we might not be emphasizing in our current marketing. For each point, explain why it might resonate with customers and suggest how to test it in ads. This often reveals surprising angles that can break through ad fatigue and reach new audience segments. Now that you have these 12 ways to use ChatGPT with your customer data, let me show you how to implement them effectively. First, you need a testing framework. Here's exactly how I structure it. So create a dedicated testing campaign with ad set budgets, not campaign budgets, and this will allow you to test each new angle properly. You're going to group similar creative concepts together in the same ad sets and test static ads with static ads and videos with videos. Don't mix formats or you won't get clear data. And last, use the double up method for winners. When you find an angle that's crushing it, I mean, all the metrics are looking good, low CPC, good cost per add to cart, good cost per checkout, good ROAS, and of course a great CPA, double that budget. Let me show you exactly how this works in practice. Say you launched an ad based on a new persona you discovered through ChatGPT. Start the budget at $50 a day, and after a few days, if it's crushing with a $10 CPA, when your goal is $20, double the budget to $100 a day. And if it continues to perform well, double it again to $200 a day. If performance starts to slip, say the CPA rises to $25, then drop it down to $100 a day. The algorithm will work hard to get your CPA back in line because it wants your budget back. This is how I've scaled hundreds of brands to 7 and 8 figures a month in revenue. It's not just about finding good angles, it's also about aggressively scaling budgets when they work. This approach works because it's based on real customer data from real customers, not guesswork or following what everyone else is doing. The brands that leverage their first-party customer data this way are going to crush it, while others struggle with rising ad costs and diminishing returns. So if you found this video valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more advanced meta ad strategies. And if you're serious about scaling your brand with meta ads, I can help you double your revenue in 6 months or less in my coaching program, Meta Ads at Scale. We don't just cover ads, we build complete systems for email, SMS, creative production, and conversion rate optimization. And I personally guarantee results, or I work with you for free past the 6 months until we get you to your goal. We're heading into the winter holiday season, which is when conversion rates naturally increase. So now is the perfect time to dial in your meta ad strategy so we can blast through your Q4 goals. Click the link in the description to learn more about meta ads at scale. And if you know someone who can benefit from meta ads at scale, share this video with them as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.